Buddy, I have a long history of being too early on trades, and well, the month of April was absolutely no exception. The 230 days of Finch accounts are wildly different, and this is going to be one of the last videos in this series, and we are sort of right at the ultra edge of all of this, and I'm not quite yet to wrap it up. So in the next couple of days, you're going to see a full review video. But today I'm gonna do the last couple of days of damage control slash dealing with some trades, and you're going to see it right here, right now. Okay, this is the dollar Swiss, and we're also going to take a really good hard look at the New Zealand dollar US. And there are going to be some lessons that come from this. And like I said, we're not going to get quite into all of those lessons, but we are going to talk a little bit about them. Just in the month of May alone, we're up $1,000, which is fine, whatever. And we're still even doing 200, 240, whatever dollars a day, even with so many different currency pairs locked up into problems. And we still have these New Zealand dollar, US dollar trades just sitting here, not doing well. The dollar Swiss, you know, just garbage. Look at this. I mean, just in the stratosphere. And so those are two trades that went wrong on our Dr. Bill Finch trades. And I want to talk a little bit about, I just want to talk a little bit openly, honestly. I mean, these videos are totally public and everything I do is completely, at least I try to make it completely transparent. And so let's talk about it. So the dollar Swiss and the New Zealand dollar US got stuck. And they got stuck in Dr. Bill Finch trades, or these robot trades, early on. And I started adding to these trades what I would say a little bit early. And so the New Zealand dollar, I took a situation that was not really that bad, and I ended up making it worse. And then in the US dollar Swiss franc, I took a situation that wasn't really that bad. And then I made that one worse too, but not as bad because I didn't add as many trades. And what I want to show you on the screen here now is this red line running up and down the screen is the quintuple RSI, the Palladino Booker RSI 5. And it means that 5 time frames are overbought simultaneously. And that's really the moment to take the extra trade. That's the moment. That's the moment. And this weekly pivot is the real target. Now we're at the 7th of the month, and really got to wrap this series of videos up. I really do need to close out all the bad trades. I just need to end this, but I'm going to give it one more night, as Phil Collins and Genesis would say. So we have an average trade size average price of 98.40. And what we really want to have is an average price that's much higher than that, 99.63. So what I'm going to do is, I have a pretty giant account here. I'm going to go ahead and give this one last hurrah. I'm going to take a giant trade here, and we're going to see what we can get our average price to. And it takes a moment to update here, and we got our average price to 99.74. Great, that's where we want it. So 99.90, 99.80, 99.72. So if we reach this price, I'm going to set an alert, and I'm going to get an alarm. Now we can stop that alert down there lower. And then we can see if we can fall below this level, and we can dump this dollar Swiss trade. Now, if we go back over to the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we have almost all the trades I could possibly ever imagine needing, wanting. We can move this alert down and see if we cross above the 15% retracement level. But can't really do much here. There's not really a lot I can do here. I've already got so many trades open on this. And like I said, we'll do a full review of how I would handle things differently the next time around. But I already have enough trades. I don't need any more trades in this account. in this currency pair. And so I'm going to leave this one alone and I'm not going to touch it. And then we're going to see if that dollar Swiss trade can close. And then I'm going to see if I can just dump all of this. Just a couple of trades can sort of change the face of everything. Now, this is the smaller trading account. And we're doing 40, 30, whatever dollars a day. We're in the 7th of the month and we're up $200 for the month or so, 195. We've made in robot trades $423. It's pretty great. This one is a completely different story. This one did fine. Everything did fine. It just got stuck in some buy trades on the British pound Canadian dollar. So let's take a look at those. And look at that. It seems to be popping up a bit here. It's not a surprise at the beginning of the month. It's a little bit late, but we do seem like we're going to get all the way up to the weekly pivot this week. 74.87, about 50 pips higher than where we are now. So what I'd like to do is pull up this chart, maybe go to the 4-hour chart. All right, there we go. I want to insert the average price indicator. And there it is. There's the average price. Oh, that's pretty close to, wow, 70. We want the average price to be below 74.80. Is it already there? 74.53. Wow, look at that. Well, that's probably going to close out just fine. We could add another one in there. There we go. We'll turn the robot off. Turn off live trading. Our average price is now a bit lower at 7. Oh, wait. Maybe, maybe it hasn't changed yet. Oh, maybe it has. All right, fine. 74.84. Okay, 74, well, right at the weekly pivot now. Okay, so whatever I was saying before, just ignore it. We've accomplished what we wanted to accomplish. 74.84. That seems completely reasonable. Yeah, that seems completely reasonable. So we'll do a take profit on all 3 of these trades at 1.7490. And I will copy this and drop it in on all of the trades. And then if we get up to that number, we'll go ahead and take profit, and then we're going to close everything. And we're going to, once we close everything, we'll start the whole 30 days of Finch experiment all over again inside of that account. I'm going to set an alarm or an alert so that I get a text message if we cross that level, and then I know that I can switch everything off and turn the robot off and take it from there. So to review everything, I'm going to make some changes in the month of May when I run my next experiment. And I'm going to be much more cautious about adding additional trades to help my trades get out of trouble. At the same time, we do appear that we are at the critical, final, magnificent level at which we could just close this thing out. We're getting close. So we have another couple of days here on this series of videos, and then I'll be starting up a brand new 30 days of Finch, clean from the beginning with the full setup and everything, so you can see exactly how to set things up and get things going. But we're going to let these ones close out first. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.